Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your online store with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin optimizing your online store with Shopify, start by selecting a clean, responsive theme. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand aesthetics and enhances user experience. Next, customize the layout to ensure easy navigation for your customers. Add essential pages like About Us, shipping information, and Contact Us to build trust and transparency. Optimize your product images by using high-resolution files that load quickly while maintaining quality. Write detailed product descriptions that include keywords relevant to your audience. Implement SEO best practices by optimizing page titles, meta descriptions, and URL structures. Utilize Shopify's built-in analytics to monitor traffic and customer behavior on your store. Incorporate customer reviews and ratings to enhance credibility and encourage purchases. Set up social proof by displaying recent purchases or customer interactions on your site. Optimize your checkout process to reduce cart abandonment, keep it simple and streamlined. Enable various payment options to accommodate different customer preferences. Test the loading speed of your site and optimize images and scripts to enhance performance. Make your store mobile friendly, as a significant portion of online shopping occurs on mobile devices. Consider implementing email marketing by capturing leads through sign-up forms on your website. Set up abandoned cart recovery to notify customers who leave items in their cart, increasing conversion chances. Utilize Shopify apps to add functionalities like live chat, upsells, or loyalty programs. Monitor your competitors and stay informed about industry trends to keep your store competitive. Regularly update your content and product offerings to keep your store fresh and engaging. Finally, gather feedback from customers to continuously improve their shopping experience. Following these steps will help you effectively optimize your online store using Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.